The holiday season is upon us and I am in a giving mood, so I figured we'd do another reseller giveaway. So for this giveaway, what I've done is put together sort of a reseller starter pack. Now don't let the name fool you. You don't have to be a beginner. It could just be extra supplies, which honestly always come in handy, especially when they're free. So here's the rules of the giveaway. 1, you have to be a subscriber. So if you're not a subscriber, just go ahead and click that button now, and that takes care of rule number 1. Rule number 2, you have to share this video somewhere. It could be on your Facebook wall, it could be on your Instagram, it could be in a Facebook group, it could be through your email list. Wherever you want to share, it's fine. And rule number 3, just leave a comment down below of where you shared the video. It could be as simple as share it on my Facebook wall. And I will trust you because we're all friends. And like always, you do have to be a US citizen or else you'll have to pay shipping. Otherwise, those are the 3 rules. Now let me show you exactly what we're giving away. Okay, so first of all, we have an eBay shipping scale. This was a giveaway that I did a long time ago and it never got claimed. And I feel like 3 months is enough time, so it's going back on the block. Next up, we have a 2-pack of HD clear tape, which is my favorite tape. Then we have one of those giant reseller friendly IKEA bags. Then we have a little thing of stretch wrap, which is handy for eBay or Amazon. Next up, we have some masking paper, which I like to use as packing paper. I think it comes in really handy, especially for smaller first class packages. So here's a big new roll of that. Then we have a couple Scotty peelers, which are great for helping you get off your thrift store labels or your retail labels. So we got 2 of those. And then we have 10, I believe they're 12 by 15 eBay poly mailers. So there's 10 of those for you. Then we have one of my old tape guns. It's not the best in the world, but it never let me down. And it's just one that I don't use anymore. So you'll get the tape gun along with the tape over here. And then we have a brand new ream of 2-part shipping labels. These are the 2-part sticky labels for your printer to print off your eBay postage or your FBA postage or whatever you're doing. So, shipping scale, tape, IKEA bag, stretch wrap, packing paper, poly mailers, Scotty peelers, tape gun, shipping labels. So that's what we're giving away. We're going to run this giveaway till next Saturday. Today is Sunday, December the 22nd. So on Saturday, December 28th, we'll do a random comment drawing. So as long as that random comment tells me where you shared this video, and as long as you're a subscriber to the channel, you will win the reseller starter pack. And then hopefully it'll help you get your business going on the right foot in 2020. Alright guys, that's what I got for you. As always, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye.